Problem 8.5 on page 293 says a stock has a required return of 11%. That's R sub S is equal to 11%. The risk-free rate, R sub RF, equals 7%, and the market risk premium is 4%. Letter A asks, what is the stock's beta? And the way that we can solve this is we can use our SML equation, R sub S equals R sub RF plus MRP multiplied by B. But instead of solving for RS, we solve for beta. So this is what that would look like. R sub S we know is 11%. The return on a risk-free investment is 0.07. So all I'm doing is substituting. Where I see R sub S, I'm putting 0.11. Where I see R sub RF, I put 0.07. Plus market risk premium of 4.04, and we'll solve algebraically for beta. So if I subtract 0.07 from both sides, that leaves me with 0.04 is equal to 0.04 multiplied by beta. My next step algebraically would be to divide both sides by 0.04. 0.04 divided by 0.04 is equal to B. And we know from algebra that any number divided by itself is equal to 1. So beta is equal to 1, and that is the answer to part A. Part B asks if the market risk premium is increased to 6%. So this 4% number is no longer any good. Now we're moving the market risk premium up to 6%. What would happen to the stock's required rate of return? Well, now that we know that the stock's beta is equal to 1, we can solve for required rate of return just like we normally do using the SML equation. So we'll plug in the return on a risk-free investment is 7, so 0.07, plus market risk premium. Remember, they increased it up here to 6%, so I'm going to put 0.06 here, multiplied by a beta of 1, gives us 0.13, multiplied by 100, and that gives us 13% as the required return on this stock.